guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. The spring is full swing here and it's a perfect timing to prune your Russian sage. In our case, this is little spire, and it's not that little, actually it grows pretty tall. And the only problem we have with this, it gives so many runners. And it's always good practice to sterilize your pruners, and I'm just using isopropyl alcohol. And you can see that new growth emerged from the ground, and also buds are swelling on the old last year's growth. My little spire Russian sage produces so many runners, and it's really hard to control. So I've been digging them out on a regular basis and giving to friends, which has been successful, but I have to do a better job of that. Marcus showed up. I hope you guys not tired of him. He's such a cutie. And now we're done with the pruning. And see you guys. Now I can see all these runners and I can easily take care of them and dig them out and give it to friends if I want to, or just discard it. And look at this, we have so many bunnies and they destroying things. Oh, bummer. Hope this video was helpful. And now a few facts and tips. Previously known as Perovsky, Russian sage was recently renamed Salvia yengi. It is native to steppes and hills of Central and Southwestern Asia. Pollinators love the blooms, and it's one of the bees' favorite plants. It is hardy to USDA zones 4 to 9. It loves sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it tolerates drought very well, and soggy soil needs to be avoided. Happy gardening!